Hi there, students. Mawkish. Mawkish is an adjective. You could have the noun mawkishness and the adverb mawkishly. So mawkish means exaggeratedly emotional, childishly sentimental, childishly emotional. So the film was so mawkish that I left the cinema halfway through the film. Sickly sweet emotionality, cloying, C-L-O-Y, emotion. The mawkish love poem of a teenager. The book was a mawkish love story. Excessively sentimental, falsely sentimental, showing emotion or showing sentimentality and feeling that it doesn't really have, that's not actually felt. They made a mawkish appeal for donations to their charity. Please, it's so important. She is so insincere that her mawkish comments do not reveal her real opinion. She says everything is absolutely fantastic, the most beautiful and wonderful thing she's ever had, no matter what it is. Yeah? Now, notice, mawkish has or had another use. There's an archaic use which meant a sickening taste, a nauseating smell or flavour. Yeah? So that is mawkish. A mawkish smell of boiled fish. But notice this is archaic and people don't normally use it like this anymore. Okay, so mawkish, false exaggeration, false exaggerated emotion, cloying, maudlin, mushy, soppy, slushy, a slushy film. Okay, so mawkish, when they go over the top with emotionality which is not real or needed. So, a sentimental plot with the inevitable mawkish ending. Mawkish love poetry. Mawkish films appeal to some people, or to make mawkish appeals for help. Hey, 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 hey. Yes, so maybe the mawkish show of sentiment at a funeral of somebody you really didn't like very much. So, let's see. What about formality? I'd give this a 7.5 in formality. It sounds very literary, it sounds quite posh, it's a formal word. Informally, slushy, mushy, soppy, and then maybe neutral, over sentimental, exaggerated emotion, something like that. Now, the origin of mawkish is quite interesting. There used to be a Middle English word, mawk, which meant a maggot. You have a fly, bzz, 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 and the fly lays an egg, and that becomes a larvae. And that larvae is a maggot. Okay? And this originally comes from the Old Norse word, madker, which is also a maggot. So, hence the meaning of a sickly or nauseating flavour, maggoty food, a maggoty smell. But that's moved on to talk about sickly sweet emotionality. So there we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel. Don't be too mawkish with your comments, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.